Just a quick fab video today. Now I've got this sump is out of a boat. Now it's rusted out, it's previously had a patch in it and it's got another hole again. So all the customer wanted me to do was chop out the bottom, replace it with something a bit thicker. So I've got a little bit of 2mm just in case it decides it wants to rust again. So this has all been sanded back, marked out where the edges of the rust are. So I'm going to use some greaseproof paper, lay that over. I can mark out where all the rust is. So then that will then be the template. Transfer it onto either cardboard or straight onto the steel sheet and then cut it out, weld it in. There will be a little bit of forming because it's got radius edges. There'll probably be a second little patch just on the front here, but try to cover as much of it as I can with just one patch, because that way it's just one weld all the way around the edge instead of doing one here and a little piece here and a little piece on the edge. It's best to do as much as possible with the one patch. So let's get on with it. well, that's all done. Now the owner of this didn't want me to paint it because he's going to strip the whole thing and fiberglass it because it's going in the bottom of a boat, and that's what caused the rust in the first place. So that's it for this job. He's coming to pick that up and then he can go boating on the weekend. Yeah, simple quick video. So that's it. As always, customize everything.